G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. This is Bourke Park in Brook. Now the only reason why I'm doing this video on the winter solstice, which is on a Wednesday here in Western Australia, is because it's not only the shortest day of the year, it's because I won't be able to do this coming weekend because I'll be at Supernova in Perth getting this autograph from Dean Cain. So Dean Cain is an actor from the Lois and Clark television series back in the 1990s. He played Superman. So I'll be spending the whole weekend at Supernova, which is why I'm doing this video now. So being in Bourke Park in Brook, this is what it looks like. Great scenery. As you can see, very expansive. And just over there is John Forrest National Park. That's where I like to go hiking. If you happen to see that, because it is getting darker by the minute, being the shortest day of the year. So I need to get going. So until next time, see you then. Oh, just to let you know, expect me to start doing this in a fortnight. That will be my next lot of videos. So until next time, see you then.